In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings and tap on connections. Then click on more connection settings and select printing. Then tap on default print service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. To use a different service, disable this one first thanks to blue switcher. Go back. Tap on download plugin or go into Play Store and install perfect service. As you can see, I don't have a lot of choices here, so I will go into Play Store. Click on the search bar and type in HP Print Service. When your new app is ready, go back to the same settings. Then tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!